This is accounting on Excel with Amaka Ifebanando, and we'll be looking at how to count cells or range of cells that meet a particular criteria. We use the COUNTIF function to do that. So in our lesson here, we have sales agents and the sales points they've made over a period of time. And we want to know how many sales agents meet the criteria we have stated in here based on the range of sales agents we have. So we use the count if formula to determine that. So let's just go in and do that. Right? So start with equal to when you want to write a formula. Count if. What's my range? My range is from this point to this point, 11 to 20. What's the criteria? It says greater than 60. Right? Then click enter. So I have 4 sales agents that meet up to this criteria, greater than 60. So when you count it manually, you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 greater than 60. So with the formula, it automatically generates itself. So let's look at the second criteria, equals to, so I'll just select it automatically. The range, yep. So it says greater than or equal to, greater than equal to 60, right? Close the bracket and enter. So we have 5 guys greater than, so you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sales agents meet up to this criteria, greater than or equal to 60. So automatically with the formula of COUNTIF, it generates itself. So let me explain something here. In order to not type in the criteria manually, you can also do that by referencing the cell. Like now we have the formula, the criteria in here. Instead of typing it manually when writing the formula, you can reference. So before you do that, we have to make this format this into a text. So it's already done. You can see I just came here and I selected text. So this is already in a text format. You can see it here. So what I'll do is just use the same formula, count if. What's my range from this point to this point, right? So I'll just make this an absolute cell reference. Then what's my criteria? Instead of typing it, I just select the cell, right? And enter. That's it. So you see it's the same. It gives us. So I won't even have to put this, type the cell into this one. I'll just drag and fill and it will fill there because I've already made this my formula dynamic. So I just drag and that's it. I have it there. So that's another way of going about it. I believe you've gotten value from this lesson. If you have, please let me know. And if you have any additional comments to make, it's quite welcome. Thanks for staying on, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.